Hello everyone, this is Sarabjit Kaur and today we will start our unit life skills. Under it there is a topic politeness and behavior. So politeness and behavior are the part of discipline, are part of manners, how we should show our politeness and behavior in front of others. If we are polite and our behavior is good, then we will consider as a good mannered person. If our behavior and there is no politeness in our voice, then we are considered as a bad mannered person. So GM stands for good manners and BM stands for bad manner. So first of all, here is if the door is closed, we should knock and wait for permission to enter. Picture you can see that one person is knocking the door. That is a good manner, that whenever we enter in another person's room, whenever we go into any office, we should knock the door firstly. Second one is, we should never go looking through another person's private possessions without his or permission. We should not touch others' possessions, private possessions without permission. So what is it? It is a good manner. We should never do these things. Next one is embarrassment. Do not embarrass anyone. That means we should not make others shameful. It is a good manner. Next one is inviting guests with smile. We should invite guests with smile. We should open the door, smile and invite the guest in. That is a good manner. If we are talking to an elder and feel angry in the course of our conversation, we should show it. Should we show it? We should not show it. That means it is a bad manner. So in this way you will do all the points from this one page. Next one is life skills, safety rules. So safety rules are for ourselves. We should do that is for our safety, and we should cooperate with the government officials for our safety. First point is, we should use mobile phone while driving. That is a tick. We should do tick our in front of it or cross. That is a bad thing. So we will do cross in front of it. Next one is, one should never drink and drive. That is a correct one. We should not drink while driving. Next one is, speed limits should be there. We should always adhere to speed limits. We should follow the speed limits. That is a correct, true. In this way you will do this one portion. Next one is life skill here, future life. Under it, first of all, A part is there. Given below is a table. Fill the second and third column with the name and opinion of the person in the fourth column. Write about here understanding of those professions. First of all, you have to write the names of the person, his or her opinion on it, and your remarks that what you have understood from that one. Next one is, some letters are given. Write one life skill. We should have to give one life skill in front of it. So H, in front of H we will write humility. We can write honesty also. Next one is C, confidence. E, empowerment. T, truthfulness. S, self-control. K, kindness. And L is for learning, J for justice, and P is standing for patience. After it, there is a values chapter. Under it, Indian celebrities are there. So firstly, here is a Shabana Azmi. She is a social activist and she has raised her voice on different issues, like she has activism. Her main area of activism is for child and women's right, and she is appointed as a goodwill ambassador of UNPF. So these are the personalities who has done good things for the society. These are Indian celebrities who has done the work in Bollywood, but they have also done some social services. Next one is Aamir Khan. So Aamir Khan, you know about this person also. He is a Bollywood star, has been extremely vocal about various social issues, like he has, due to his staunch support to the poor families, those who were poor families, they lost the dwelling places of theirs, and due to the construction of Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River, on that time he got so much criticism, but he stood with the poor, and he refused to budge from his stand despite his film being banned in the lucrative territories. So that personality is Aamir Khan. Next one is Rahul Bose. Rahul Bose is a star's name has been associated. He is incorporating NGOs, ठीक है, and his NGOs, the foundation provides support to the education of underprivileged children from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and he was the ambassador in 2007 of Oxfam Global. Next one is Nafisa Ali. Nafisa Ali is an actress. She was former Miss India and national swimming champ. She has also done she has also activist for the children, for the welfare of the children, and she has started one care center, form center for the HIV or AIDS person who were suffering from that one thing. Next one is Priyanka Chopra. In 2010, she was appointed as the UNICEF National Ambassador to support Indian children. She is also doing welfare for the children, and she has actively spoken about children right and has helped to create awareness about the same. So she is also doing work for the children. So this is all about these chapters, and test paper 2 on page number 69 and 70 you will do yourself. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.